In this video, you will learn how to fix this app is not available in your country or region iPhone. This issue can be very annoying, especially if you really want to use a specific app. Luckily, there are some simple steps you can follow to solve this problem. To start fixing this issue, open up the Apple App Store on your iPhone. Next, tap on the profile icon, located at the top right corner of the screen. Once you're in the account settings page, look for your name at the very top and tap it. Now, find and select country/region. Here's where things get interesting. Tap on Change Country or Region. You'll see a list of countries available for selection. Choose a country where the app you want to download is available. For instance, if you're trying to access an app only available in Canada, select Canada from the list. After selecting your new country or region, review and agree to Apple's terms and conditions by tapping Agree. It's essential to read these terms carefully so that you understand what changes are being made regarding your account. Now it's time to enter a payment method along with billing information such as name and address. This step is crucial because without valid payment details linked to that specific region, you'll face difficulties accessing certain apps. Once you've entered all required information accurately, tap Next. Your Apple ID will now update its settings according to the new country or region selected. With these changes made, search for that app again. It should now be available for download. Remember that if you've accidentally set up your Apple ID with the wrong country or region initially, this method will help correct that as well. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.